you stay with me, yeah. Changing all the ways I thought it had to be, 'cause I don't have to live so tactfully. We're living in